to be like that big though. Boom. There we go. I'm gonna scoot you on top of my head. It looks like you're sitting on right on my little.
Yeah. And that's where I usually am.
Oh, we're playing this game. Oh. Are we gonna do both a single kayak or a double kayak?
I think we should do. Let's try out the single kayak first.
Okay, okay.
So you can get the fresh experience of this game.
Yeah, I'm fearful. Okay, okay. I'm learning how to do it. I'm coming towards you.
Oh.
You may see me coming.
Look, there's no border here, and there's also gaps. Oh!
Okay, for me, I drift to flow every time I exist. I
can feel the focus.
It's not going in the water when I want it to go in the water.
What do you mean? Just click.
I am clicking! That's the thing! When I click, it doesn't do the right! Ah!
There's gonna be a lot of turns here. Think you can make it?
No! Okay, what way are you gonna be? Oh yeah, just do it. Just, yeah.
Yeah, I think I'll just sort of take...
While you do that, I'm gonna fix my stream title.
Okay. I'm taking you on a little boat ride across the world.
Okay, bestie. Hold or I can slow us down, bestie.
Okay. Hold or, bestie. Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, bestie. Oh gosh, that was scary.
No, it all turned out fine in the end.
Bestie, what if we did it like kayaking teams do? You go one way, I go the other way.
Okay. Which side do you want?
I want this side.
Okay.
My apologies, bestie. I don't think I know how turning works.
No, what if we just straight ahead over the gaps?
Ow! Oh, bestie. We're alive.
We're fine. We're driving.
We just gotta keep going, bestie.
Go over the gap. Go.
Yes! Okay, we gotta keep going, bestie. Oh no! Okay. Okay, bestie, I believe in now! Full speed ahead. I believe in you, bestie. This is all you.
I'm just gonna let the momentum carry me.
Oh, it's okay. We're okay. Full speed! Oh, bestie, no!
Turn us just a little.
Oh! My stuff. Oh, bestie, no!
This is fine. Don't finish.
No! Bestie, I fear. I fear.
No, don't worry.
Okay, I'm sitting up, don't worry, dude.
I'll use brute force. See?
Oh, bestie! Brute forced it! Okay. Oh, what is going on? Accidentally got clicked out of my Roblox tab. Oh, bestie, what's going on?
I feel that we're being sent to heaven, Bessie. I think we're sending, actually. I don't think that we're
Bestie, sent too early. Oh, yeah.
Helicopter.
Oh, bestie! Oh, bestie! Wait, let me get us out of here.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this one, bestie. I need you to trust me, okay?
Alright, I'm trusting you fully.
I can, Bestie, I can see you are not, in fact, trusting me fully.
I'm just hitting you. That's all. A little bit of where are we going, Bestie? Should I guide you?
There we go.
Alright, we're going in backwards. Uh-oh.
Don't worry. That was all part of the plan, really.
Alright, Bestie Smoot.
Oh!
Oh my goodness, we're shimmying down. You're like the rotor in the boat. I'm really trying to just go ahead and not turn the boat, so I'm really depending on you. I'm just going ahead, you have to save us when I can't put my oar in the water. Okay. We're almost there, Bestie.
Yeah, we got this. Okay.
Now we need a sharp turn.
Oh, Bestie, too fast! Too speedy! Oh!
Alright! Alright! It's okay, this is a very slow and leisurely ride.
Yeah,
Not
this
very...
is like the lazy rip.
You know? Steering you.
Okay. Okay. So, if I could just get my thing in the water.
This will work. This is fine.
Bestie, I cannot move forward. Okay,
Straight
yes.
ahead.
Yes, straight ahead. Straight ahead. Straight ahead.
We're doing a little
Oh,
bit of spin.
okay.
This is fine. See? It all works out.
Oh, Bestie, no!
No, we're fine.
I know you don't have the best vision, so I will let my...
I can't see you guiding anymore, and we're stuck. Okay, this is fine. This is perfect.
Oh!
Fine. Trust.
Trust the current.
In the current, Bestie.
Trust, yes, trust in the current.
See? Alright. Fuck. We're fine. No!
Okay.
Bestie,
Yeah?
I don't know how well we're gonna be doing.
What if we like parkoured our way into surviving?
So, what do you mean? Parkour?
I got it! Ah!
What if I follow you with a kayak, and every time you get sort of like close
You
to
know,
drowning,
that's a great
you just
idea.
hop on.
I think that's great.
Okay, here we go. Focus. Speed. I am speed.
Like,
So I need to get a little in the middle of the between. Yes, okay.
and yeah, you'll sort of.
No. Hello.
Okay, you got it.
Okay.
You got it. Hold
So
on,
now I
take
need
you
to make
back
it to the
because I
bobber.
moved it. Yeah.
Take me to the bobber, bestie.
Yeah. Alright. There you go.
Okay.
Alright. We're cheesing this Johnson.
I think that rock is my. Oh, bestie, no, bestie!
Yeah, okay. I'll set myself up for success this time. I'll pull myself up by my bootstraps.
Yeah, come on. You probably just weren't pulling yourself up by your bootstraps. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Oh,
You end up on top! my goodness. Bessie. Okay,
I'm
that's
okay.
fine. Okay, Bessie,
Oh,
come on.
Bessie! Oh, it's icy! It's slippery, Bessie! Oh!
On my screen, you absolutely got flung. So I'm scared. I'm scared that it was the end of you. This will work. No matter how many times I need to die.
Oh, no! Whoa! You were just speeding. Oh, Bessie! No!
Are we just going now? Or...
No. I think I can jump onto that buoy.
Oh, yes, this one?
Yes, okay. Okay.
Alright. I'll meet you at the
Oh!
end.